Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, I'll show you how to send one-time view pictures on Snapchat from Gallery so the photo disappears after a quick glance. Now let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app and choose the person you want to send the picture to. This is the friend who will receive the one-time view image. Next, go to your phone's gallery and pick the photo you want to send. Make sure it's the right one because we'll be setting a time limit on it. Before hitting send, tap on the edit button at the bottom. This gives you access to more options for the image. Now, tap the clock icon with the infinity symbol on it. This is where you can control how long the photo is viewable. By default, it's set to no limit, which means the picture can be replayed or saved. Change this setting to a specific time, like 5 or 10 seconds, so it disappears after viewing. Once you've selected the time, tap the timer button again to confirm your choice. Now the one-time view setting is applied. Finally, hit send. The person you sent it to will only be able to see the photo for the time you set it, and after that, it's gone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps.